Hi, good morning, friends. Very beautiful good morning. And what I want to share is that you are powerful. You have you are a magnet. Anything you can attract and anything you can create. So our purpose in life to create something, to do something for the next generation, next world. Money is okay, but money should be always the byproduct. We must focus on our activities, thought process, what we are doing, for why we are doing. The purpose is very important. आज अगर हम लोग कुछ करेंगे, अच्छा काम करेंगे, what we love to do, if we do whatever we have got to do, then एक्टिविटीज़ अगर हम दिमाग से सोच के एक्टिविटीज़ में कन्वर्ट करेंगे, that's going to create something which is going to remain in the next next year, days to come, and that is the thing we can do for the world, for the universe. Are you aware of that you are the most powerful? So let me quote something, the very important thing from the books, that is in The Secret. You are the most powerful magnet in the universe. You contain a magnetic power within you that is more powerful than anything in this world, and this unfathomable magnetic power is emitted through your thoughts. Your thoughts. Right? If you see it in your mind, you are going to hold in your hand. The law of attractions is the law of nature. He law of attraction is there. What you attract, what you are thinking. The next very important person's Brain Tracy, what says about this? Move out of your comfort zone. आप जैसे हो इससे आपको, you have to make always you uncomfortable. Move out of your comfort zone. You can only grow if you are willing to feel awkward and uncomfortable when you try something new. Brain Tracy. आपको हमेशा डू समथिंग इनोवेटिव क्रिएटिव, गलती होगा क्या होगा कौन सोचेगा, डोंट वेरी, यू गो, यू हैव टू मेक अनकंफर्टेबल, awkward, something funny thing, because you don't know what is inside, then it will come out. You have to challenge yourself, friend. This is the thing. और हमको पैसा to earn money, if you are doing against your wish, आपको अगर अच्छा नहीं लग रहा है, that money is not going to work that money is not going to create your happiness. It's in the book, and I believe it. What you need to do, what you love, through that love. If you earn money with happiness, you are earning money. That money is real money. Our direct focus should not be the money. Our direct focus, what we can do for the betterment of everyone, for ourselves, and what I love to do, that should be focused. वही आपको वो ढूंढना है. आज अगर आप मनी के लिए काम कर रहे हो, and if you are not happy, that money will not bring you happiness to you and your family, because you are creating against your vibration, against your mind. You have to create with the good feelings, good thoughts. You have to enjoy. This is the very important thing in our life. Again, all great changes are preceded by the chaos. Deepak Chopra. Chaos. आज आपको कुछ भी नहीं ठीक चल रहा है, दैट इज द साइन यू आर गेटिंग टू ग्रो. डू इट. कुछ भी नहीं होगा, नथिंग. यू चैलेंज, यू विल ग्रो. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट थिंग, माय डियर फ्रेंड. ऑल दिस थिंग्स फ्रॉम द बुक. I'm just sharing with you, and I believe it. When you step outside your comfort zone for your higher purpose, the universe support you in every way. क्या बोला है? When you step outside of your comfort zone for a higher purpose, but you must have a purpose. Purpose is to grow the most thing, no? Within. आपको नीचे में है, आपको अंदर में है. That's the thing. You must have a purpose. I have purpose. Yes, I want to do to grow. Something is hidden inside. That is the thing. और वही चीज़ को अगर हम रख के जाएंगे, if you are planning for having more, maybe more wealth, a घर, material thing, without working on your spiritual thing, आप अगर spiritually what you have with love you are not doing, that money is not going to create anything. Money is not the things that giving all happiness and all, friends. Have a bigger purpose. God has sent us to do something. That is the first thing we need to realize. Today we are happy. I am a happy person. I always share that happiness comes from because मैं कुछ करता हूँ जिसका वजह से किसी को ज़िंदगी में कुछ affect करता है, impact करता है. What is that? I believe in myself, I believe in God, and I have purpose, life mission to do whatever I can do. So I read books, through that books I learn lots of things. The book will help you to know oneself and your purpose of life, right? Then listen to the all great people. And there are opportunities there. You only have an open mind. आपको माइंड को ओपन रखना चाहिए to get what you actually attracting. And माइंड ओपन रखने से भी नहीं होगा, जैसे तैसे चीज़ आ जाएगा, राइट? तो आपको माइंड ओपन करके योर थ्रू वाइब्रेशन, थ्रू योर फ्रीक्वेंसी यू अट्रैक्ट. यूनिवर्स में सब कुछ है, एवरीथिंग, गुड, बैड, हैप्पी, अनहैप्पी, हेट्रेड, ऑल थिंग. बट व्हाट यू आर अट्रैक्टिंग, आपको पूरा ये अलाइनमेंट में रखिए, so that only you will attract good thing in your life, and life will be very beautiful, very beautiful. All is free here. All the thing, if you are working for what you love, that is not the work, that is enjoyment, that is the fun. See? So all these things is very important in our life, friends. Be happy. पहले तो happy रहने के लिए आपको you have to accept your present situation and do whatever you can do. Life is beautiful. Affirmation सीखिए, self talk सीखिए, and that's all is available in our education systems. Thank you very much. See you in the next video.